Good afternoon, friends. Beauvoir and her staff are proud to present a recent donation of a replica 1841 6-pound field gun donated by Mr. Charles Mock. This beautiful piece served alongside Mr. Mock's American flag for years, but as he is moving to be closer to family, he was unable to take the cannon with him. We're profoundly grateful to Mr. Mock for considering Beauvoir as a permanent home for his beloved cannon. The 1841 6-pound field gun saw service during the Mexican-American War and the War between the States, better known as the American Civil War. Originally, this field gun was a bronze or cast iron smoothbore, muzzle-loading cannon that weighed nearly 900 pounds and crewed by a 9-man team. This style of field gun was adopted by the United States Army in 1841 and saw service all the way through the American Civil War. At the time of the war, these guns were becoming obsolete and saw limited use in the Northern armies as they produced newer and better guns for the battlefield. The South saw more widespread use of these cannons due to lack of industrial capacity. Production of these field guns ceased in 1862, and the U.S. Army officially retired them in 1868. Our cannon is capable of being a fully functioning replica with a little effort, and with your help, we hope to bring this cannon back to its original state, not only for display, but also for use during special events, such as Living History and Fall Muster. We've started a cannon restoration fund to replace the aging carriage and to purchase the implements necessary to return it to a fully functional cannon. We're about $2,000 away from a full restoration. $900 will finish completing the new carriage, and about $1,100 will fund the various implements required to fire the cannon. Thank you for considering a donation towards this project. Cannon demonstrations are always a favorite among our guests, both young and old, and nothing brings history to life more than a literal blast from the past. Thank you for your time, and God bless Beauvoir.